This is where it all began, the first French settlement in North America. In 1608, Samuel de Champlain built a wooden trading post here. Rebuilt in stone by 1624, the structure served as a warehouse until a devastating fire reduced it to ruins. But from the ashes, something enduring arose. Around 1688, the Church of Notre-Dame-des-Victoires was constructed, a lasting monument to the founding of Quebec City and the birth of New France, a legacy that continues to inspire.
This is the oldest church in Quebec. And, this is where my relatives were baptized and married when they first came to this continent. Take a look around.
Be sure to give us a like and subscribe.